Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram comments, gallery photo send option not showing problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, you need to update your Instagram apps. So go to Play Store and then click on Search app. Now search for Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version if available any update version. Now find Instagram apps. Long press on Instagram apps. Open Instagram app info, click on I button or app info. Go to storage option, click on storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on force stop, click on OK to confirm, and then go back to home screen. Now normally restart your phone, press and hold on power button and then restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Instagram, go to comments option and look gallery photo send option showing now.